In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up after-hours call routing in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Head over to Dashboard, Lab, Call Flows, and click plus Create New Call Flow. Then name it After Hours Routing and assign the phone number you want it to handle. Now in the visual editor, drag the Profile Time Rule element from the right-hand panel into your flow. You can set your business hours by going to Settings, then Business Profile. You'll see it automatically creates two branches. On the In-Hours branch, go ahead and add a Forward to User or Forward to Team node so calls during business hours get routed to your team as normal. Right below that, add a voicemail node as a fallback in case no one picks up and configure your basic voicemail settings here. Now switch over to the After Hours branch and add an audio message node. You can upload an MP3 or type out a message for text-to-speech, and in this example, we'll type, "Thank you for calling," or business name. Our normal working hours are Monday to Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 7:01 p.m. Below that after-hours greeting, add a voicemail node and configure the basic settings so callers can leave you a message. Optionally, you can add an AI agent node as an alternative branch before voicemail, giving callers the chance to interact with your AI instead of just leaving a message. Hit Save, and you'll be taken back to the Call Flows overview page where you can see your new after-hours routing flow live and active. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.